Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. What we'll be doing today, guys, we have airbag light here on the Dodge Journey, and we're going to show you guys how to reset it and what is causing that light. And we have a code U0173. So stay with us, guys, and we'll show you what the problem is with that code. Okay, U0173. It's a common thing that could be actually something that you knocked loose under when you repaired something on the vehicle and all that stuff. So stay with us, guys, we'll be working on these things. So if you have a Dodge Journey, we'll have more than 200 videos on Dodge Journey, guys, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your problem. All the tools and parts, including the scanners that we use, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So with the vehicle running now, even if you have the older display or a different display, doesn't matter, guys, you can see our airbag light is on. Okay, check it out, the airbag light stays on. So what I'll be doing, I'll turn the car off and we'll proceed with the diagnostics. We need to have just the ignition on. So if you have a push start button, okay, I'll tell you what to do, and if you have a key, I'll explain as well. So with the push start button, just turn the car off. Now do not press the brake, and just turn the button twice until you see your lights on, like that. If you have a key, you need to turn it to the second position. Now let me go ahead and show you. This is the scanner, okay, that we'll be using here by Foxwell. This thing is really good. It works for clearing engine lights, airbag lights, and steering angle sensors as well. So all we need to do now, go under SRS or ABS, click enter. We need to select USA because Dodge is American, it's made by Chrysler. Okay, and after that we just need to load for the data to load. It has the automatic VIN detection, so this thing is really good, or you can actually select it by yourself if you need to. So let me see which one is better, with light or without light. I think with the light is a little bit better. We'll go under automatic selection. Okay, let me just go back because I accidentally clicked manual selection. Automatic, it's going to read the VIN number, and once it reads the VIN number, it's going to decode the VIN number and tell us that we have a 2012 Dodge Journey and all that stuff. Okay, check it out, Dodge Journey right here, and you can see more about the VIN number if you need to. You can scroll down, but we don't need to. More over here, so click OK, which will be F3 in our case here. Then we need to go to auto scan, select auto scan, or you can go ahead and select, okay, manual control units. We'll show you both things. Auto scan will perform scanning on the airbag system, and it's going to perform scanning on the ABS. In our case, we do not have a problem with the ABS, so that's unnecessary, but you can always go ahead and check everything to make sure everything's good. And you see the airbag says we have one fault. So I'll go back, I'll click control units, I'll select body, airbag is under body, airbag restraint system here, and we're going to wait for it to load now. It's going to communicate with the airbag module now, and it's going to read the codes. It will give us a few options to see live data as well. Something very good about this scanner, and it's very affordable for what it can do. It can pay itself in one time use instead of going to the dealer. We'll click read codes, and this is our code, guys. Okay, U0173 active means that the code you can see active, it's still present. It says loss of communication with left side satellite acceleration sensor 2. Okay, this one is also known, I believe it's known as a side crash sensor number 2. Now we'll explain where that one is, okay, and how to fix it now. So let's go ahead and start on it. So as you can see, we have the Dodge Journey here taking apart the rear third row seat out of there. And let me show you now. You have actually on each side of the vehicle, you have 3 side crash sensors. Okay, they look like that one. You can see that the blue thing. However, this is a different one. That's not the one that's causing our code. This is sensor 3. Sensor 3. And ours is sensor 2. Sensor 2 should be somewhere for the rear door. Okay, and sensor 1 is the one for the front door. So if you open the rear door, so if you guys open the rear door, okay, right here, when you remove that body panel, okay, and we have the video how to do all that stuff, guys, on our channel. Check it out if you need help with it. This is your sensor 2, that's where it's located. Now, if you ever disconnect those, I would recommend to have your battery disconnected at least 1 hour before you are anywhere close to airbag sensors or anything like that. Now, what we did, we already disconnected our car battery, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. It could be 3 things happening here. You need to check your wiring harness to make sure it's good. Second, you have to make sure that the connection is secure, okay, because sometimes if anyone did a repair or something, they might have not inserted it all the way and that's causing the problem, or it's a bad sensor, which is not so likely, but it happens sometimes. So how you remove those things? Okay, you push that, okay, let me show you that grating back, okay, like that. It goes back, then press on it, press down and pull out. Now with the Torx 30, start looking bit, there is one screw that holds the sensor in place. Okay, we'll go ahead and remove it. Our connection, everything was fine, so we'll just replace it with a new sensor now. Okay, inspect your pins, everything here, to make sure that there is nothing bent. We'll grab the new one, install it and see if that takes care of the problem. So we'll get our brand new sensor now. We're going to install it now, guys. Okay, you need to just install it where it used to be, the same position. Get the screw tight, the bolt, and do not forget to push the wire in. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, push it all the way in until it clicks. And now push that gray thing, that gray piece in to lock it. That way it's not going to fall out. Let's go ahead, connect our battery, and we will see how to reset the code now. So with the battery being connected now, I'll just have the ignition on like that. I already have the computer here to the same screen that we were before, so I don't waste your time. And all we have to do, click back. Now we have to go under erase codes. Okay, communicating with the vehicle, please wait. It's erasing the codes now. Ignition on and engine stopped, yes, we click yes. We confirm that we want to delete it. It's going to delete the freeze data, erase done. Perform read codes function to verify. So we'll go back to read codes. Okay, system pass, no fault codes detected. Our airbag light is not on, and if I go ahead and start the car, no airbag light on. So that took care of that code, guys. U0173, U0173. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.